Sometimes in our life we face BSOD issues, which call blue skin death phase. A blue skin death phase or BSOD signifies Windows 10 has detected a fatal system error and must shut down immediately to avoid the damaging the operating system. This process leaves you with a blue screen displaying a sad emoji and encrypted messages. If you want to hire me as a network engineer for your project, then you can simply click the Upwork or the Fiverr link on the description, or you can simply email me through that particular email. Okay, now let's know what causes of the blue skin of death phase. A host of the software and hardware related issue can trigger the blue skin, including insufficient space of hard disks, fault device drives, BIOS misconfiguration, hard disk corruption, unidentified bug of the Windows 10, outdated Windows operating system, and incorrect entries in the system of registries. To solve this issue, first you have to go to the search bar and type the reset button and open it, and after that you will see there is a advanced option and you will see restart. Please enter the restart button and your PC will take the restart. Then you can see these types of pop-up, and then you can go to the troubleshoot and go to the advanced option, and after that you can go to the uninstall option. You can face this type of dilemma for the update version, and it is better for you if you uninstall that. And second step, once again go to the troubleshoot option and then go to that advanced option where you will see the system restore. Simply click that and simply complete the command whatever they are asked for, because it will restore your all the system, and after that your problem will be disappear. So simply type the next button in order to disappear your problems. This YouTube channel, and where you will get more authentic wisdom about networking, comshare, and also the troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. I hope you learn a lot.